Light bulbs in series. Now, what would you expect to happen in an instance where instead of connecting batteries in series, we're actually going to be connecting the light bulbs? So remember when we did connect those batteries in series, we actually increased the voltage. But doing the same with light bulbs works a bit different, and we're going to have a look at that example right now. As we can see here, we have our circuit diagram for our batteries and lamps in series example. So to make this a bit easier, I have added one of these modules. Don't worry, you're going to be receiving one in your kit as well. And this automatically connects our batteries in series. We can go ahead and test that out quickly just to see that they are indeed connected in series. I'm going to take our red wire and our black wire. I'm going to measure it with my multimeter. And we're going to see that we have around 3 volts. Now this is perfect and exactly what we're looking for. Next, from our positive side, we're going to go ahead to our switch. Now here is our switch right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and take our positive end of our battery and I'm going to connect it to our one side of our switch. So from the other side of our switch, we're going to go to lamp number 1. And they are connected end to end, meaning they are connected in series. So I've already done this for us. And you can see here we have 2 lamps connected in series. Now, as you can see here, actually have them connected end to end. So these points are not making contact, meaning they are indeed connected in series. So from here, from our second lamp, we're going to go get back to our negative point of our 3 volts of our battery. So I'm going to go ahead and connect this right here just by turning these wires into each other. There we go. We now have 3 volts on 2 light bulbs connected in series. So what do you expect will happen? So remember with batteries, when we connect them in series, we actually increase the voltage. But what if I told you if you do the same with lamps or anything that requires power, it now requires more voltage to operate. So these are 2 3-volt light bulbs. So each one of these are 3 volts. And by adding them in series, you are actually adding the voltages, meaning that these 2 light bulbs can now operate on 6 volts to generate maximum brightness, meaning this is going to be the same as running one of these light bulbs on 1.5 volts. I'm going to show you now that we actually have the reduced brightness right here. It's not going to be as bright as running one of our lights on 3 volts. So that's quite an interesting effect. So as you can see here, we still use the plus combination plus these 2 volts just together to get our 6 volts. And we are running it at 3 volts, meaning it should operate at around half its brightness. So that was quite interesting. Adding batteries in series actually increases your voltage, therefore making your lights shine brighter. But adding your lights in series makes your lights require more voltage, therefore making your lights glow dimmer. That's quite an interesting turn of events, and you're going to be using this a lot in the future as well, along with all the other principles we're going to be learning, because these are the foundations and the basic building blocks of electronics and robotics. So I'll see you guys in our next video. Please stay tuned. Remember to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.